Everybody wanna know about who real or who fake, or who bad or who great. And you mad it's too late, so stay away from competition. Did I mention I'm the captain? I'm a whole fucking team, you best believe the sport is rapping. Your mentality is fucked up, stressing from this song quick. Essence from a bong rip, my memory been gone since. Hope you know this flow is cold and I'm just trying to show I'm striving for the top, your bitch is getting low. I hope they know that I'm the illest. They ask me how I does it, concentration leave them hating. I'm just chilling saying fuck it. Had the bitch on standby like what the fuck, I'm about to bust a nut. And your response, I'm wrong on that skill that you can't hide. Nah homie, they too sensitive, filled with all the estrogen. Mad and frustrated, outwitted with the sentences. Dankest of the medicine, ingesting all of it to my stomach. Flow the dumbest when I'm coming with the punishment. Tell the critics suck a dick, I'm just out here vamping trying to get this fucking money quick. Wrapping up the mothership, my level out this galaxy. Alls I need a palace, weed and chilling on my balcony. Living life crazy but we all up on a balance beam. Everybody knows that my flow is where the talent be. Get the picture like a gallery. Yeah, treat it like a battle scene. All snakes around me, but they never fucking rattle me. Cause I wake up, I bake up, life getting shake up or shook up. Focused on cake, then I look up. Pain seems to take up my life, then I face up. I break up reality, burn like a pound of weed. I'm running, I'm just running. I keep running away. Man, I'm trying to move on. I've been A1 since day 2. You've been A1 since day 1, and that's the reason I hate you. Man, I hate face to face, but I can never replace you. I play to feel like I'm base to base, but relationships change you. Emptiness, what I speak of, no specific subject. This goes out to the girls I fuck with and the ones who up next. I'm just dodging being set up or upset. Volcanoes erupting, my brain is a substance. I came in a sublet, I'm not here to stay. Got feelings like Ebola, it's a chronic case. Only thing that heals the pain is that chronic taste. Young Chino, flyer than a flock of seagulls. Pinky up like Dr. Evil, sipping on that Pinot. Fuck you mean bro, like where the beat go? Got the bottles on deck, in the baggie or the freshly pre-rolled. Yeah, treat it like a battle scene. All snakes around me, but they never fucking rattle me. Cause I wake up, I bake up, life getting shake up or shook up. Focused on cake, then I look up. Pain seems to take up my life, then I face up. I break up reality, burn like a pound of weed. I'm running, I'm just running. I keep running away.